Hey bee fans, so we're going to have a quick mini adventure. We've come to one of the sites where we've got a eco beehive out and about. So you could basically call it guerrilla gardening or guerrilla beekeeping, I suppose. Anyway, here it is. Let's go for our little mini adventure. So this hive has been here for a few years. So let's see if anything's happening. Did these guys survive winter? Dun, dun, dun. Let's find out. And there's an ant walking around. Good morning. We have our first little bee. So yes. So we definitely seem to have something on the go, yeah. Have a grand bank holiday, guys. Don't subscribe, don't give me a thumbs up, just tell a friend. Thanks.